Hey guys, I'm going to delete my WhatsApp backup because it's occupying almost my WhatsApp is actually occupying like 8 GB, and 8 GB out of 15, that is almost like almost like 60%, because my Gmails are taking like 6, Google Pictures 500 MBs, WhatsApp is taking like 7.88. That is almost like 8 GB. Okay. And for me, I think I can just have a backup of my WhatsApp on Google Drive offline, so that I save space. Instead of actually paying space, I can just back up my WhatsApp in my Google Drive offline. In case you would like to know how I did that one, I did a video about that. I think I'll leave a link in the video description so that you can actually delete your WhatsApp backup to actually save space on your Google Drive, because sometimes you realize your WhatsApp is taking more space than actually anything else. Yet in my option, I can have the backup offline, and I save space. So I'm going to click on WhatsApp. When I click on WhatsApp, you realize actually there are two backups. I have like WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business. So I'm going to delete this one, okay, so that I can kind of have space. Delete space, okay, delete the backup. Understand the backup file will be deleted permanently. So I'm going to delete this, okay. So after deleting this, I'll have more space. And what happens is, if you kind of actually delete your WhatsApp, it doesn't actually delete your WhatsApp on your phone. Okay, just remove the backup on your Google Drive. The disadvantage is that if your phone actually gets lost and you want to resume from Google Drive, you can't, because you have deleted your WhatsApp backup, unless you made the backup offline, which I did also. So I first did the backup, so I'm going to actually delete this one, okay? So I've kind of, sorry for the, okay, so I've kind of actually deleted the backup, and that is it. Okay, now the funny thing is, if you don't turn off the backup, actually, what we do, like WhatsApp will try to actually upload another update. So, but the cool thing about that is the update will be actually a bit lighter. It's like they kind of add on what is on your phone, something like that. So, but by this, I think I'll have saved my space for now. The good thing, I have a backup of my um, phone WhatsApp. So in case the phone actually gets lost, I have a backup on the hard drive, and I have it on actually on some flash. Okay. See you in the next video. If you like videos like this, you can subscribe on my YouTube channel.